Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain Chase Sapphire Preferred tips and tricks. First, let's dive into maximizing your point earning. The card offers excellent multipliers for everyday spending, especially on travel and dining. Understanding these categories is key to accumulating a large number of points quickly. We'll cover how to strategically use your card for maximum rewards. To maximize your points, focus on the bonus categories. You'll earn 5 times points on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Dining, including eligible delivery services, earns 3 times points. All other travel purchases receive 2 times points, and all other purchases earn 1 point per dollar. Strategically using your card for these categories will significantly boost your point balance. When it comes to redeeming your hard-earned points, you have several excellent options. Your points are worth 25% more when redeemed for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Alternatively, you can transfer your points one-to-one to various airline and hotel loyalty programs, often yielding even greater value. While cash back or gift cards are options, they typically offer a lower redemption rate. Beyond earning and redeeming, the Chase Sapphire Preferred offers valuable perks. You'll receive a $50 annual hotel credit on stays booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. The card also provides robust trip cancellation and interruption insurance, offering peace of mind for your travels. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These benefits truly enhance the card's value.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.